How to find a hotel price guarantee claim on hotels.com. Hi, everybody. So once we go to hotels.com, we may need to log in. So log in if we're not logged in. After that, to submit a price guarantee claim on hotels.com, we need to fill out their price match request form after we find the same hotel room cheaper somewhere else. So we can go to the price guarantee page for hotels.com. Let's search for it, price guarantee on hotels.com. And hit enter, and when we do, we'll be finding this link here. We can go to their customer care link from within price guarantee, and once we open up this page here, we'll be finding everything. So here we can see this section where it will show us how it works, and we need to go ahead and fill out the form. As I said, for that we can look out for this option called submit your request and click on it. After that, we can select where did you see the lower price? So we can just go and select hotels.com or anything else. After that, we need to fill out this form. So provide in your name here, your official one, and your email address. After that, your contact phone number and your hotels.com confirmation number. Once you do so, you can just go and enter the date of check-in as well. A calendar pops up, and once you select it, you can lower the price that you found and the source of lower price as well. Once you do so, we can just go over and browse or drag and drop an image. An image must contain property name, travel date, room type, and price. An image also must be no more than 1 MB. Only JPEG, PNG, GIF, PDF, doc, and docx are allowed. Once you fill out this form, just go and click on send request. And your claim will only work if the hotel, room type, dates, and cancellation policy are identical to your booking, and the cheaper price is publicly available online, and you submit the claim before 9:59 p.m. the day before you check in, and then it will be approved. So you can just go over and follow that process and find a hotel price guarantee claim on hotels.com. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.